Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. Mr. Forex, quick look. We're going to take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Today's date is July 5th, 2024. Let's get started. Both the U.S. and the Canadian jobs report was released today. Just focusing on the Canadian report, the unemployment rate did move higher. And the number of jobs was lower than expected, or the employment change was lower than expectations. Very little change for the month, both in the part-time and full-time jobs. And that has helped to, I guess, push the dollar versus Canada to the upside, as the U.S. data was a little bit more mixed. So giving the edge to the dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Technically speaking, the low prices, this is looking at the 4-hour chart, the low prices that we saw before the number came within this swing area. The swing area was defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time. These are a bunch of swing highs here that formed a ceiling. We moved above that swing high level and then rotated to the downside, tried to stay below it here before moving higher. Came back down to that area through here, moved a little bit below the level here, and then reestablished support against the area through here. And then before moving to the upside, and did the same in trading last week before again moving to the upside here. So the low price through here could not get below that area, and we also couldn't get below the 200-day moving average. That's a green line in this chart here. So the data here helped push the price higher, and you can see that we've also helped to move the price above the 100-day moving average, currently at 1.3634. We're just above that level, 1.3639 right now. This will be a close risk-defining level for both the buyers and sellers. If the price can stay above the 100-day moving average, that's going to tilt the bias more in the upside here, as the failure to get below the 200, the failure to move below this low area, the failure to stay below the 100-day moving average, all failed. And we should see higher prices that move. If that happens, we could see a rotation back toward the 100 and 200 bar moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Both of them are near convergence, near the 1.3690 level for the dollar versus Canada. Let's take a quick look at the hourly chart. And if we look at the hourly chart, here's our 100 and 200-day moving averages up here. Ahead of that comes the 100-hour moving average and the 200-hour moving averages. That would be the next, probably the closest level for or the closest target, I guess, for the dollar versus Canada buyers. If we get above the 64 level and the 73 level, then we'll be looking toward those 100 and 200 bar moving averages on the 4-hour chart on the top side. But right now, the focus is on the 100-day moving average, and we're trading just above and below it right now as the market tries to figure out which way it wants to go. But the buyers are trying to make a play. My name is Greg Michalowski with a technical look at the dollar versus Canada. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.